Coughing is a natural reflex that occurs when something irritates your throat or airways. Occasional coughs are normal and even healthy, as they help the body flush out built-up mucus and debris. However, that doesn't make them any less painful or exhausting. The most common causes of coughing are as follows: irritation from sources like cigarette smoke or pollutants, bacterial infections like bronchitis or sinusitis, allergies, asthma, viral illnesses like the cold or flu. Coughs caused by asthma, infections, and allergies should be treated by a healthcare provider. However, if your cough continues to linger after a viral infection or as the result of irritation, here are effective tips to help treat it at home. Mixture of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. Effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. How to make the syrup? In half spoon of honey, add a few drops of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. Another treatment is flax seeds for cold and cough. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. Also, one of the most effective treatments is ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20-40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe the cough. Also consider fluids. Staying hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Research indicates that drinking liquids at room temperature can alleviate a cough, runny nose, and sneezing. Another solution is inhale steam. Take a hot shower, or boil water and pour into a bowl. Face the bowl, stay at least 1 foot away. Place a towel over the back of your head to form a tent and inhale. Stop at any time if you feel uncomfortable. Note: do not do this if cough is due to asthma, as steam may make symptoms worse.